guys, just want to talk to you today about this new product I plan on doing on my car. It's kind of like a little side project. I'm going to do a new keyhole cover for the driver's side door for my BMW M2. This is a product from IND distribution. They do a really good job of color matching these. It's literally perfect. This is from my Long Beach metallic blue car. Basically, you know, these cars use comfort access. I have never used the key. I don't foresee that. I do have a spare key. In the event, you know, that the battery dies, I'll figure something out. So for me, it's worth it aesthetically just to get my project where I'm trying to go to install this keyhole cover. So I'll just basically kind of walk you through the process, walk you through the nuances of it, and just kind of show you before and after.
Sticks in. Make sure that push this and snug. Let's get that in order here. Press, you can kind of feel it. You feel like a little tick. Three or four, one here, one here, and the little axis. Used to moves in, uses the existing group. So all I did was kind of insert that back in.